course, I got to pay, for the gas and the insurance and the time and all that other stuff to get out there. I just don't get teleported out there.
I wish we could teleport.
What?
I wish we could teleport.
Why?
Because I'm so hungry.
So anyway, the whole thing is that it's not going to make a customer happy when I have to hand them the service call bill, and they tell me I've only been there for 5 minutes. So I'd rather just put a video up and have that person, if they call me, say, hey, go ahead and look at this video and see if that can help you out for free and get that fixed. So that's why I started the channel. I got tired of having to tell people I just don't feel right going out there and charging you for a 5-minute job.